Good morning. Today in this video we'll discuss about the exercise of history chapter 4 of class 7th, and the chapter name is Turkish invasions. And in this video you can see the notes of this chapter, question answers, and the objective type questions which is given at the back side of the textbook. Picture study is also given. You can listen to all the question and answers. I have already told you to find the exercise answers, that is fill in the blanks, name the following, etc. So you can check that, and along with that you can write notes, that is answer the following and picture study in your copy. And now we can start the video. So let's start the notes. The first one is understanding the chapter. It's an exercise which is given at the backside of your textbook. First question is name the following, and the first question name the following is two Turkish rulers, Muhammad of Ghazni, Muhammad of Ghori. Two towns destroyed by Muhammad of Ghazni, Madura, Kanauj. Two court poet of Muhammad of Ghazni, Firdausi, Al-Utbi. Two famous Rajput kingdoms. 5 are given in your textbook. You can write any two. This two you can write. The Chauhans of Delhi and Ajmer, the Rathors of Kanauj. Fifth question, two generals of Muhammad Ghori, Kutubuddin Aibak, Bakhtiar Khilji. So this is the 5 name the following questions, and now we will move on to the next part, that is match the following. Correct answers are written, so you can write it and you can learn. Firdausi, Shahnama, Alberoni, the Sikh-e-Hind, Rathors, Kanauj, Solankis, Gujarat, Chandelas, Bundelkhand, Paramaras, Malwa. Now the next one is fill in the blanks. Muhammad of Ghazni was the son of Subuktigin. Muhammad invaded India 17 times. Muhammad looted the famous Somnath temple in Gujarat. Fourth, Muhammad Ghori was defeated by Prithviraj Chauhan in the first battle of Tarain in 1191. Question number 5, Bakhtiar Khilji conquered Bengal and Bihar. So don't think that questions will be asked only from this side. Questions from inside the textbook will be asked. So you have to learn that also. And some questions I have already given while during the lecture classes. That also you can write in your copy and you can learn that. Now answer the following questions. It's compulsory to write this part in your copy. And the question answer starts like this. The first question is, who was Muhammad of Ghazni? Why did he invade India? Muhammad of Ghazni was the first Turkish ruler who invaded India. He invaded India several times because he wanted to plunder the wealth of India. Now, question number 2. Why did Muhammad of Ghazni attack temples? Muhammad of Ghazni attacked the temples because the temples of North India were the centers of wealth. Third question. Who was Muhammad Ghori? Why did he come to India? Muhammad Ghori was the ruler of Ghor who made the first systematic attempt to found a Turco-Afghan empire in India. He came to India with the intention to establish an empire in India. Fourth question, explain the results of the first and second battle of Tarain. Results of the first and second battle of Tarain are the following. 3 points are given. The first one is, these battles revealed the strength and weakness of the Rajput rulers. Second, the second battle of Tarain marked the end of the Rajput rule in India. Third one is, the second battle of Tarain was considered as the beginning of Muslim rule in India. Now the question number 5. What was the impact of Turkish invasion in India? Turkish invasions of India. Impact of Turkish invasions are, first point, many temples and statues were destroyed by the Turkish invaders. 2. It caused for the development of trade between India and the West. Third one, it paved the way for the establishment of Turco-Afghan rule in India. So these are the 5 question answers which is given in your textbook. So these are the answers. You can write it and learn. Now the next part is picture study. Study the picture which is given in your textbook and answer the following questions. Your answers are given here. You can write it. First question is, where is this temple located? Who invaded it? It is located. It is the image of Somnath temple. So you can see the picture in your textbook and you can write the answers. Located in Gujarat. It was invaded by Muhammad of Ghazni. Why did he loot? What did he loot from the temple? He looted diamonds, rubies, and pearls from the temple. For which purpose did he use the wealth looted from India? He transformed his city capital into a splendid city by using the wealth he looted from India. Fourth one is, what was the opinion of the Indians and his own countrymen about him? The Indians considered Muhammad of Ghazni as an invader and plunderer, but for his countrymen he was a just ruler. That doesn't mean that he's just a ruler. He was a lawful ruler. So this is the exercise questions of our chapter. Question answers and picture study and all the exercises are given. So you can write it and you can learn that. And in the coming videos I'll upload a video which is related to your assignment. So watch that video and information will be given where you have to write the assignments and all that you can write. Now this chapter is over, so you can start learning this chapter. In next week I'll upload one question paper of this chapter, so you can write the test also. So stay home, stay safe and study well for the exams. Okay.